Today, we're making this quick and easy oven-baked barbecue chicken. Let's get into it. Alright, let's take a quick look at our ingredients. Today I'll be using chicken leg quarters. It's already been washed and cleaned. I will be using some fresh green seasoning, some salt, sazon, chicken seasoning, black pepper, garlic and onion powder, paprika, and some chicken bouillon. So here I added 2 tablespoons of my green seasoning to the dry seasoning along with a little water to create like a paste-like consistency. Once we mix that well, this will be used as the marinade for that chicken. We will then go ahead and apply it to the chicken, get up in the skin and everywhere, and make sure that the chicken is well coated. Once done, you want to set aside to marinate for about 2 to 4 hours. If you have the time and you can let this go overnight, that would be excellent. Now let's zhuzh up the barbecue sauce we'll use to baste the chicken with. So here I have barbecue sauce. I added ketchup, mustard, and a little bit of brown sugar. Mix that well to combine and set aside. If you want to use the barbecue sauce as it is, go ahead and do so. Now I will add some barbecue sauce to my baking dish because we will not be flipping the chicken, and this will ensure that the chicken get that flavor at the bottom part. Then we'll place the chicken inside of the baking dish. Once done, you want to just add the remaining juices that's left at the bottom of the bowl on top of your chicken. And after that, we'll go ahead and just baste the chicken with a little bit of that barbecue sauce. Once that is done, you will place this in a 375-degree oven for about 1 hour or so. We will cover it, and after that, I will show you the next step. After about an hour, we'll go ahead and baste the chicken and place it back into the oven, this time uncovered so it can brown up nicely. We'll place it in there for about 15 minutes. The last 3 minutes, you want to set your oven on broil to get that nice char over top. You know, the barbecue look? Yes. And this is the finished product. When I tell you this was so amazing, it was juicy, moist, flavorful, tender, and everything you would want in some oven-baked barbecue chicken. It was served with some veg rice, a fresh salad, macaroni salad, and some fried ripe plantains. And let me tell you, it was nothing short of amazing. Chef's kiss. So give the recipe a try for me and let me know what you guys think. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.